From the tallest of skyscrapers to the corner office and the downtown warehouse district, the stressors of sunlight, changing weather, water, building movement, and settlement break down and deteriorate building facades, creating comfort, safety, and maintenance issues that can quickly add to the cost of property ownership. The Masonry and Facade Restoration team at Western Specialty Contractors identifies issues such as cracking, efflorescence, spalling, control joint failure, and sealant or caulk failure, and recommends a repair and prevention plan that protects your tenants and property from leaks and water damage, reducing the likelihood of unexpected costs and repairs, and maintains the property's value. Call today to schedule a walkthrough.